guys, so rocking today. Grandma's on my motorcycle right now. How you feeling? She's a pro. Grandma, give us some more gas. It's like a bicycle. This is our second time. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's giving us some gas. There we go. This is that bike I got on Santa. Alright, why am I? There she is. It's like blurry, but she's going. She didn't crash. Okay, just showing her. I guess I better catch up with her. I gotta get this light. Is it blurry? There we go. See her? It's a red Honda CRF 100F. She's going on it. I'm just gonna follow her because, guys, if she fails, I want to get that. Yeah, I'm trying to hold her. Now shift it. No, don't shift it. Okay. No, don't shift it. You can, but you have to let off the gas, pull the clutch, and lift up on the thing, but don't do it. Because you might put it in neutral. I'm a pro. This has a clutch on it. There's my uncle right there. Say hi. Hi. He actually said hi. That's actually. I guess I better keep her. I don't even know how long I've had this. I don't even know when. This is what I got from Santa Claus. I didn't get that much from. I also got a scooter. Oh. Remember, this is her first time actually going around here. Pulling the clutch and pulling the front brake. Brake, not bake. Yes! Oh no. I'm scared. Okay guys, she might wreck. Slow down! Grandma, I can run faster than you. See guys, it's how you get it worked up. Just let your grandma get on your motorcycle and film her. There she goes stopping. You gotta pull in both things. Pull in the clutch on the left. Pull in the clutch and the brake. Pull in the brake and hold in the clutch. Okay, now press. You did it! How do you feel?
I feel like a pro.
Oh my gosh.
I'm a pro.
I feel like I just ran a marathon.
Grandma's pro.
I should have rode the 6 mini thing. I can't breathe. I started running. And you're only in first gear and I could run faster than you. I'm not going to show a video of me going yet. Probably like maybe tomorrow or I don't know. No, probably not tomorrow because I have school. I don't know. I'm never running that.
I'm sorry.
That was a 5K.
I look pretty good on that.
You were really going to shoot in second?
Yeah, it was.
I was telling you how.
I know, but I thought
You just pull in the clutch, let off the gas, and put your foot under this and flick it up. But don't
flick it up, okay?
Oh,
I don't
shoot.
know if you should flick it up or flick it down.
I said flick up. Oh, but we're going to need to wait for Grandpa to put it in neutral.
I can put it in neutral.
You know how?
No.
You don't need to pull in the clutch, I don't think.
Which is neutral?
Up. Halfway. Just click all the way down. We'll have Grandpa put it in neutral. Like, barely. It's halfway. Here, watch. I'll try. I think I'm in. I'm just going to put it in first.
Mom and the babies are stopping by for a minute.
I'm just going to put it in first because, I don't know, I'm not that good at shifting in neutral. I've only done it once. Like I said, I had this for a little bit, and I'm able to go in third gear, but I haven't done it yet. How did you not fall over? You're going slow.
I know I was. I think I could go faster now.
You want to ride it again?
No.
You should do it again today, Grandma. I'll teach you how to shift. Okay, we're gonna have a. Here, you get on the front, and I'll take you.
No.
Hey, you're taller than me. You're gonna have to stop us.
I know.
I wrecked when I tried to stop yesterday. So I didn't pull in the clutch. I just did the brake, and I pushed the gas, and I went, yeah, and I almost hit my grandpa, but he already knew what was happening because he's done that before, and luckily none of us got hurt.
I did good, huh, Grandpa? I was gonna go a little bit faster.
She wanted to go in second. Oh, Grandma, I forgot. I should have just told you. You don't need the clutch to go in second, but it's good to. You gonna ride it again?
Not right now. I want you. Are you gonna ride it?
I'm not gonna ride it on camera.
Why?
I want it. And this is already a 6-minute long video.
You're scared? 6 minutes not long.
Yes, it is. Okay. Oh no.
Yeah, I'll show you.
This is a real man right here. Look at that billy goat right there. And animals. It's in. Grandpa, I think it's in first. I mean, yeah. He's way faster than all of us. He's gonna show off.
Second gear right here.
Okay, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. And goodbye.